I am Aduku Matilda, a basic school teacher with Ghana Education Service, Walewale. Potable water is one of the problems faced by many communities in Ghana. However, the water situation for the people of Naioku has improved through political voice. This is Naioku, a village in the northern region of Ghana. Naioku is located in the eastern part of Walewale, the West Mamprusi District capital. It has a population of about 1,500 people. Naioku has suffered serious water problem for over 20 years. The people depended on hand-dug wells and a dam for domestic and agricultural purposes. Animals and people depended on the dam for survival. Farmers used the water from the dam for irrigation. The unit committee members of Naioku had a series of meetings based on the water situation. Through the Assemblyman, Honourable Salif Whinny, the issue was discussed in the West Mamprusi District Assembly's General Meeting. In 2011, the District Assembly came to the aid of the people by providing mechanized boreholes that supply the community with potable water. This was made possible through the financial assistance of the Millenium Challenge Account Ghana project. This came as a lifesaver. As such, the people of Naioku celebrated during the launch of the water project. Ghanians are increasingly made aware of using political voice to acquire basic amenities. All are therefore encouraged to seek their rights through the proper political channel. Thank you.